Somewhere inside you lives a being you have never seen. Its name is Glicero, and its story is also yours. When Glicero remains trapped in the blood, too much, for too long, your body begins to speak. You are thirsty, always. You wake in the night. Fatigue presses down like a cloud. Vision blurs. Wounds heal slowly. Your feet tingle. Your body never lies. Listen to it. Why did this happen? Sometimes it is food, the sugar hidden in every package, every bottle. Sometimes it is the lack of movement. Your cells have forgotten how to open their doors. Sometimes it is stress that fills the blood with fear sugar. And sometimes it is inheritance. But inheritance is not destiny. There are foods that overwhelm Glicero. White sugar, white bread, sweet drinks that flood your blood in seconds. You do not need to eliminate them with hatred, only replace them with wisdom. And there are foods that help it. Green vegetables that open its gates, nuts that give it time to breathe, fatty fish that protect its pathways. Cinnamon, that reminds it how to dance. Every meal is a choice. Every choice is a message. Glicero, I hear you. I am helping you. 38 million Americans live with diabetes or prediabetes. But you do not have to be a statistic. Knowledge is the first step. And you have just taken it